Hello, welcome to ROBOTOBZOR. In this video we will talk about new robot vacuum cleaners that will soon go on sale, or have already been presented on the market in early 2022. Since the main consumer electronics exhibition has already passed, and all the leading manufacturers of robot vacuum cleaners have presented their flagships and announced to expect, I chose the top 10 new robot vacuum cleaners of 2022 with a brief description of the features and functionality. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. So, let's go! Opens our top 10 review the flagship from Roborock company, which was presented at CES 2022. The model is called Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra. This robot vacuum cleaner is equipped with almost all the new design solutions that increase the cleaning efficiency and autonomy of the robot. To be specific, the robot is equipped with a station where it can automatically unload garbage from the dust collector into a bag in the station, as well as rinse mopping pads in mopping mode. The robot vacuum cleaner can efficiently clean large areas with minimal human intervention in the cleaning process. Also, the Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra is equipped with a system for detecting objects on the floor and the function of automatically lifting the mopping pads when driving on carpeted floors. In addition to all this, the device boasts high suction power, accurate LiDAR-based navigation, and very flexible cleaning schedule settings. The start of sales expected to begin in the second quarter of 2022. The robot will be available in the free versions, with a regular charging station for about $800, with a self-cleaning station in the Plus version for $1,000, and with a combined rinse and self-cleaning station for debris in Ultra version for $1,400. So this model cannot be called a popular and optimal in terms price-quality robot vacuum cleaner, which is typical for most robot vacuum cleaners of the Xiaomi family. The next interesting new robot vacuum cleaner coming soon is the Hobot LEGEE-D7. Hobot specializes in household floor and window cleaning robots. Their flagship will go on sale in the second half of 2022 and will cost around $600. For this price, the robot vacuum cleaner has a LiDAR for navigation, a D-shaped body for better sweeping of debris in corners, a wide variety of functions in a branded mobile application, and the possibility of simultaneous dry and wet cleaning. The Hobot LEGEE-D7 has a unique engineering solution. A suction port is installed in the front of the turbo brush to pre-collect debris, hair and wool. In this way, the manufacturer was able to minimize the problem of hair wrapping around the brush. In addition, the device is able to automatically lift the mopping pad when driving on carpets. So, if there are carpets in a house, the robot will be able to perform a full cycle of dry and wet cleaning, leaving the carpets dry and clean. This is very practical solution. Well, in addition, there are several unique features that improve the quality of cleaning and provide the trouble-free operation of the robot. For example, there is anti-jam protection, smart charging and so-called cleaning mode in areas with light obstacles, such as curtains. I will demonstrate everything in detail in the review, which is planned to be released in March or April of 2022. I'm sure that this robot vacuum cleaner will be interesting for many to buy. Continuing our review of top 10 new products, most likely the most anticipated robot vacuum cleaner of 2022 called Roidmi EVA. And I think that this is contender for the title of the best robot vacuum cleaner in terms of price, quality, capabilities. Roidmi EVA, which is a part of the Xiaomi ecosystem, has a LiDAR for navigation, a dry and mopping function, a floor recognition system, and a waste collection and cleaning station. In general, almost everything you need for efficient and autonomous cleaning. And good news is that at the start of sales, this robot vacuum cleaner can be ordered for about $800. Now the robot is already available for purchase in the Indiegogo crowdfunding website. From where many have already ordered this device. The first reviews of Roidmi EVA have already appeared, and the story of Roidmi repeats itself when compared with the previous model Roidmi EVA+. To be more specific, the functionality is promising, the quality of cleaning is high, but the software is damp. Anyway, Roidmi EVA is a top choice for its money. Let's see how it performs in tests. By the end of March, I plan to receive a sample for review and fully test it. The well-known manufacturer of robot vacuum cleaners, Ecovacs, also announced a flagship called Ecovacs Deebot OMNI X1 at CES 2022. From our top 10, this is the latest model that can perform self-cleaning from debris and rinsing mopping pads at the station. The station has both clean and dirty water tanks and a garbage collection bag. Additionally, Ecovacs Deebot OMNI X1 has a LiDAR for navigation, floor recognition and simultaneously dry and wet cleaning mode. At the same time, unlike Roborock S7 MaxV, which is a direct competitor, Ecovacs Deebot OMNI X1 is equipped with 2 round mopping pads for wet cleaning. But they do not rise on carpets. The functionality of the OMNI X1 as well as technical specifications are the most advanced. But the robot vacuum cleaner at the same time of preparation of materials is intended for the Chinese market, so there are difficulties in connecting to the mobile application. After all, the cost of the robot is in the range of $1.5–1.7 thousand. And for that kind of money, it is not very logical to buy a robot vacuum cleaner that is not adapted to the European market. So in this race, Roborock still, according to estimates, wins. But it will be possible to understand after testing 2 robots, which I hope will be in my review by the end of 2022. The popular company Dreame, the sub-brand of Xiaomi, has also released a new product called Dreame Bot W10. It was announced back in 2021, but sales started only at the beginning of 2022. The price is between $800–1,000. This is just one of the new robot vacuum cleaners which already passed my review. The main highlight of the robot is the station for rinsing mopping pads. Mopping pads are round and there is no lifting mechanism on carpets, so the robot is more suitable for cleaning on hard floors. LiDAR is responsible for navigation. The body shape is closer to D-shaped, which allows the robot to better sweep off debris in the corners. Dreame Bot W10 is already on sale in the global version, so the translation of the application and voice alerts in most common languages is provided, which increases the convenience of using the robot. In general, the device is quite interesting and deserves attention, but in my opinion, it is a bit expensive. Dreame Bot W10 boasts a high quality of dry cleaning and a good quality of washing the floor, but there are some notes about mopping. Detailed explanation about it you will find in the review. The link is in the video description. By the way, the Midea factory has released almost identical robot vacuum cleaner, called Xiaomi Midea Self-Cleaning Robot Vacuum-Mop Pro. Its station is structurally the same as Dreame. Small changes only in the design of the robot itself. The shape is completely D-shaped, and the cleaning module is exactly the same as in the Dreame Bot W10. We already ordered this model from China. Soon it will come to me for review, after which I plan to compare the twins and present it to you. Another novelty that is soon coming for review is Midea S8 Plus. This robot vacuum cleaner looks identical to the Midea M7 Pro. The only difference, it is equipped with a self-cleaning station. If we evaluate it focusing on how the M7 Pro performed during testing, then we can say that the new Midea S8 Plus is a powerful robot vacuum cleaner with high-quality dry and wet cleaning, all the necessary functions in a branded application and a good navigation system. Midea S8 Plus comes with a vibration model for better wiping dirt from the floor. The self-cleaning station allows you to empty the dust from the robot's dust collector into a bag at the station itself. The build quality of the Midea S8 Plus is at the high level, and the design of the cleaning module is very effective. At the moment, the robot vacuum cleaner is already on sale on AliExpress. The price is about $500, which is fair given the high suction power, the presence of a self-cleaning station and modern functionality. In September 2021, we first heard about the release of the flagship, new Eufy X8 Hybrid. And already at the beginning of 2022, this robot vacuum cleaner was launched for sale. At the time of preparation of this material, its price is $650. Speaking of the robot itself, its main highlight is the installation of 2 turbines for suction of debris, instead of only one like in all other robot vacuum cleaners. Each of the turbines produces suction power up to 2000 Pascal, 4000 Pascal total power. Inside the robot placed a 400 ml dust container and a 250 ml water tank, thanks to which the Eufy X8 Hybrid is able to vacuum and mop the floor at the same time. LiDAR is responsible for navigation. From the features declared by the manufacturer, it is worth to highlight the storage of several cleaning maps in memory, automatic increase in power on carpets and support for restricted areas function. Another new robot vacuum cleaner from the popular Chinese brand 360 has appeared on AliExpress. The model is called 360 S8 Plus, and at the start of sales the price was $600. For this money, the device has a LiDAR for navigation, a self-cleaning station for dry debris, as well as dry and wet cleaning function. In addition, the manufacturer announced a system for avoiding obstacles that occurs in the way. We can see that the sensor is installed on the front bumper, but what kind of sensor it is still not clear. Also, we don't have any information on how sensitive it is, whether it is able to recognize objects on the floor or at least determine them. Perhaps this is a regular IR sensor that only responds to large objects in front of the robot. Otherwise, the characteristics and functionality are quite standard as for lighter robot vacuum cleaners. So, the obstacle detection system is not at the same level of the same Dreame Bot Z10 Pro. It is not clear what the overpayment is for when compared with the same Roidmi EVA Plus, which is identical in design. Xiaomi also announced another new product called Xiaomi Mi Robot Vacuum-Mop 2 Ultra. This robot vacuum cleaner is very similar to the Dreame Bot Z10 Pro. It has a LiDAR for navigation, an object detection system on a mechanical bumper, a self-cleaning station for dry debris, the same suction power of 4000 Pascal, and a wet cleaning module of the same design. Even the shape and capacity of the tank the same. Apparently, Xiaomi Mi Robot Vacuum-Mop 2 Ultra is already an international version of the robot vacuum cleaner. The price and the date of the official launch are not yet confirmed. We really hope that the cost of Xiaomi Mi Robot Vacuum-Mop 2 Ultra will be more affordable than Dreame Bot Z10 Pro, otherwise there is no point in our paying. And in addition to the Ultra version, Xiaomi announced two more products: Xiaomi Mi Robot Vacuum-Mop 2 and Xiaomi Mi Robot Vacuum-Mop 2 Lite. In terms of design, they do not differ from Midea 1C and Midea 2C, which were released earlier. Most likely these are just international versions of robots that are free from the shortcomings of Chinese versions. Well, and the latest novelty of 2022 that I would like to talk about is Viomi Alpha 2 Pro. For now, this robot is only sold in the Chinese market. The price starts from $550. Speaking about the robot itself, it is equipped with a LiDAR for navigation, a station for unloading dry debris from a dust collector, a function for dry and wet cleaning, and the system for detecting objects on the floor. And again, it is not clear what kind of sensor are installed in the mechanical bumper and how accurately they recognize objects on the floor. But the manufacturer claims that the robot is able to detect up to 150 different types of obstacles in its path. Other characteristics, it is important to highlight the suction power increase to 4000 Pascal. The remaining characteristics and functions at first look do not differ from the previously released Viomi Alpha UV, which I had in a review earlier. In any case, for its price, a robot vacuum cleaner could be an interesting option, if the object recognition system proves to be effective. So here we reviewed robot vacuum cleaners that will appear or have already appeared on the market in 2022. As you can see, technologies have been modernized, new functionality and design solutions are being introduced. This, of course, gives hope that soon robot vacuum cleaners will completely replace routine manual cleaning, which takes a lot of time and effort. If you think that any of the new products were missed in this review, please tell us about them in the comments. Happy tech shopping, everyone! Bye!